Welcome to FinkyAgents onboarding tutorial. In this video, we will connect Azure DevOps to FinkyAgents. The prerequisite is that we need to first connect Azure tenant because we will use the same service principal also in the Azure DevOps organization. Let's click Setup Azure DevOps. Here we need to fill the organization name. In our example, it's FinkyAgents demo. Once that's done, we click Continue. And right now here we will follow the instructions. We will click Add User. And here we need to find our FinkyAgents organization. We assign basic level access since our service principal needs access to the repository if you want to grant it, and then we click Add, and the user will appear here. Grant access to the project, and you can decide which project this service principal can have access. For the initial setup, we recommend assigning project administrator role, so the service principal can set up service hook. Initial setup, you can downgrade the permissions to the contributor. So let's jump in and let's do it. Let's go to our demo project. Let's go to project settings. And let's add FinkyAgents as a project administrator, so we can do the initial setup. Once that's done, we can go back to the FinkyAgents and we can click Verify Connection. After a few moments, we see that the setup is done. We can go back to Azure DevOps project. We can click Service Hook. We see that the FinkyAgent already set up the service hook, so that is fine. We can go to Permissions, Project Administrators, Members, and here we can remove the FinkyAgents because there is no need for this high privileges anymore. You can go to the permissions, contributors, members, and we can add FinkyAgent service principal to the contributors. Thank you.